Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website which is useful for understanding Indian laws. So it is known as AI assisted law search. It's called merakanoon.in. So what they have done is they have taken GPT model and they have trained it with Indian law, and based on that it will assist you. It will give you a primary assistant in identifying what to do in case of various legal inquiries in India. So this can help us with the primary research that we need to do related to laws in India before consulting a lawyer, and from there we can consult a lawyer and take appropriate action. So you can search here, you can search the jurisdiction, whether it's India, United States. So if I say process for name change, so if I hit enter, it will show me the process for name change. So changing one's name in India involves a legal procedure. So this is the body and the legal framework. So what is the procedure? It will tell you. The name change process in India falls under purview of state government gazetted notification and central government's Ministry of Home Affairs. So you have to submit an affidavit, then you have to publish it in a newspaper. The name change gazette notification has to go in. So what is the course of action you have to take? All this information is summarized, neatly presented here. So the related searches are also mentioned here. Now if we have any other query which is regarding legal framework, process for filing a complaint against a company for waiving of notice period. So this is about, in India, the process of filing a complaint against a company for waiving of notice period is governed by India Contract Act of 1872. So under the law, the notice period is clause in the employment contract that requires the employee to serve a certain period before leaving the job. So this period is typically 1 to 3 months depending on the terms of the contract. If an employer waives this period without the consent of the employee, it may be considered as a breach of contract under the Indian Contract Act of 1872. If the employer waives it off. So procedure for filing a complaint. The first is to approach the Human Resources Department. Then the complaint should be detailed. These are the penalties for that. So now let me say something else. Filing a complaint for a fake product delivered online. So this is about filing a complaint for fake product delivered online. So this will comes under the Consumer Protection Act of 2019. So under this section 2/7 defines a consumer as a person who buys any goods. So the procedure is detailed here. The first step is to contact the seller on the platform through which the product was purchased. So most online platforms have a return policies for fake or defective products. So if the seller refuses to cooperate, you can escalate the issue on the platform's customer service. Then from there you can take it under the Consumer Protection Act of 2019. If the seller is selling fake product, they can be penalized. So if you have received a fake product, you could first try to return the product and get a refund from the seller or online platform. If that fails, you should gather all necessary documents and file a complaint with Consumer Forum. So here it again mentioned what are the steps to file a complaint for a fake product delivered online. So let me click on this. So identify the law and section it belongs to. Then step to file a complaint. Where it was purchased, most online platforms have a return complaint process. So it gives you good initial direction on where should we be heading in case of legal issue. So in that way, this will be very useful. So I hope this is useful for you. As you can see, it's still generating for the questions that I have asked. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.